Hi, this is Jeremy from Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon again. Just showing you a 21 Storyteller Stealth that we just finished a big build on. We'll kind of go over it front to back here. So we have the CATuned Hammerhead front bumper. Pair of Baja Designs LP9 Pro driving combo lights in amber. In the Hammerhead we have a Zeon 12S winch from Warn. Underneath we have Van Compass engine plate skid set. We also have the transmission and transfer case skid behind it. Then I'll show you the rear diff skid real quick. Got the Van Compass rear differential skid plate. Under here you can also see the Agile Offroad 28-gallon spare tire fuel tank. It's an auxiliary tank, so a transfer tank. So you retain the main 24.5-gallon fuel tank, and we add in this 28-gallon auxiliary tank in place of the spare tire. So you can transfer fuel back and forth, so you have 52.5 gallons of total fuel. While we're here, you can also see it's got Agile's onboard air kit. This is the rear port. The front port is in the engine bay, passenger side. Check out our other videos of the onboard air. This van, suspension-wise, is sitting on a Van Compass 4.3 Plus, which is the front Sumo Spring bump stops. The Van Compass Falcon front auxiliary shocks. Van Compass Falcon rear adjustable shocks. And the Agile 5,400 pounds leaf springs, which is what we run on the Storytellers. Notice the wheels and tires. These are 275 70/17, which is the largest you can easily run with adaptive cruise control. That's a 32.2 inch tire, up from the stock 30.5 inch tire. Give you some perspective here on ride height. So with the 4.3 Plus suspension from Van Compass and Agile, the rear has a little bit of rake to it, so the rear end is a little higher than the front, which is optimal for load capacity, optimal for handling, and aesthetics. We just prefer the little higher ride height in the back. So again, back to the tires, 275 70/17s. When we do that, we have to go to the no rub fenders, which are these right here from Agile and Terrawagen. So we change that little fender piece that's behind the mud flap, and that allows more clearance for the larger tire. You also notice that we have the Agile Offroad Alcon big brake kit, front and rear. The front is a 6-piston 13.5 inch rotor. The rear is a 4-piston 14 inch rotor. So incredible brakes on this Storyteller Stealth. Let's see what else we got. We got the owl components in the back. So the owl spare tire ladder combo.
Owl B2 on the passenger side with a large Expedition cargo box. So a lot of clients will add the one-up bike trays on top of here. This client will do that down the road. So then you could have two bikes horizontally on top of the cargo box. Full-size spare on the Owl ladder tire combo. And that allows you again to run the
Agile 28-gallon spare tire fuel tank.
So again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. Showing you a big build we just did on a 21 Stealth. We just finished a similar one at our Portland location for a client out of Chicago. A lot of the similar components, a little bit different front end that had a different front end bumper winch setup and some bronze wheels. Overall, a lot of the similar components. Very, very popular componentry on these vans with the front end protection, the extra lights, larger tires, improved suspension. It's very transformational in how the van handles and rides. Large brakes to be able to stop much more confidently with the heavier vans. Owl components in the back for bikes and gear. So, anyway, again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.